Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Printing X in Python is a simple task that involves using the print function. Below is a step-by-step tutorial with a code example to help you understand how to print X in Python. If you don't have Python installed on your system, you can download it from the official Python website and follow the installation instructions. Open your preferred text editor or IDE. Examples include vscode, Atom, Sublime Text, pycharm, or even a simple text editor like Notepad. Create a new Python script with a .py extension. For example, you can name it print_x.py. Inside your Python script, write the following code to print X. Save the file in the chosen directory on your computer. Open a terminal or command prompt, navigate to the directory where your Python script is saved, and run the script using the following command. If you're using Python 3, you may need to use Python 3 instead. After running the script, you should see the letter X printed on the console. Congratulations! You have successfully written a Python script to print X. This simple example serves as a foundation for more complex Python programs and introduces you to the basic syntax of the language. Feel free to explore and experiment with additional Python features as you continue your programming journey. ChatGPT